Look at that pretty fern, folks. It's an Eroticus cicaticus.
Oh my lord.
That's a new one.
It is not.
Eroticus cicaticus?
No,
that's a whole new one.
No. You can't do that. See, look, here's a baby.
Yeah. Oh, baby. Baby. Look at the baby.
And then it'll just go back in there.
Here's a baby too.
Oh.
You my baby. That's pretty. Not as pretty as you. Pretty for Eroticus cicaticus.
Oh my God. I'm sorry.
Alright. Michelle found a tunnel. It's a tunnel of tough love. Oh. Oh. Now earlier I said, oh, there's a shelter, and she said, for little people. And now my big Sasquatch butt is going through. Oh. Yep. Oh. That's where I need knee pads. Folks, Michelle found a window.
Chicken.
Michelle's window.
Chicken.
Chicken. Michelle's window. No, it's a pretty cool window. On our way to, I think we're coming out to Easter Basket. I think the other fall was JD. I can't remember. Haven't been out here in a while, and I don't have them marked on maps. Probably should do that, but if I remember, I'll put some text in the video. Probably won't remember. So, but I will put a guide. I did create a guide, and I think the guide shows all the GPS coordinates to the falls. So you can check that guide out in the description below. I did make that. Yep. So I think this may be Easter Basket. I think Easter Basket's the bigger one, which would be this. And the other one was JD Falls. So I know one thing, this is a deep pool. It's definitely a deep pool. It's crazy. Yeah. There's video of this one roaring too. I mean, this ain't nothing. But it's still pretty cool. Got some really cool banding on the bluffage. Leasy gang, I think. Lease gang. That's pretty cool. Pretty cool. Got all sorts of little mushrooms hanging out. Even these little guys, itty bitties. Wow, the whole thing's covered. That's funny. So there's a lot of signs out here. A lot of like ornaments and memorial things and Easter eggs and all sorts of signs. But this sign is the best sign out here. No trash service here. Take out with you, please. Best sign out here. Please do that. Okay, so we come out, we're on the river to river. So if you go that way, it'll take you to boot camp. So the through hikers come here and they go through and they get to the boot, what they call boot camp, boot ranch, boot camp. Is where the boots are hanging off the fence posts. And then here's the trail we're taking to back to where we parked. So, Gum Springs. They put a little sign up. So there you go.